I would like to ask you a couple of questions. My first question is about today's session. How was it?
The session was really good. I think it was good for even me because I think the dignitaries or the host and the guests that were there, the chief guests and the first panel that was really informative. And plus I also got an opportunity to meet different industry people. And apart from that, I think it was a good session for even the ACCA aspiring candidates as well who are looking forward to do ACCA. I think it was a really informative session, and apart from that, even I got to know about it. Like it's how they are prioritizing and thinking about the future, looking at what kind of skills will be required in future. Right, even including AI was an eye opener for me. Like AI is a part of the curriculum. That was an eye opener for me.
Great, sir. And my another question and the last question is, would you mind referring your friends, your colleagues, your juniors probably for ACCA?
I'll definitely recommend my juniors and my team members for ACCA and probably get that professional qualification because this will provide a good knowledge base to them for managing the work that we are doing, which is outside of India, right? And it's a global qualification.
Right. Thank you so much for having us.
Sure.
Thank you.